Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to jump into our Itertools library. And the method that we're going to look at today is the chain method. So alright, and this is the only one we're going to download, and we know how to import a specific method. And if you do not understand this from keyword, and if you're new here, thanks for being here, but everything that we are doing, it is been done before. So anything that is not specifically discussed, there's a video before. And if you are new and you have not subscribed, we have videos every day. So make sure you are clicking subscribe and the notification bell. All right, so chain. So this is what we're looking at. This is, and there is no, can't really type that well while talking. All right, so help on chain. So this is actually pretty cool. So what it does is it actually links stuff together. So all right, so if I were to have, let's say x equals ABC, then y equals D E F, and Z G H I. So all right, for I in chain X Y Z, print I. Because, well, here, if we just do X Y Z, I get them in these groups. But if we do chain, look what it does for us. It will run them consecutively and creates an iter, an object whose next method returns, and we know what that means. It means it creates an iterable. So all right, I love all these, and I think next one we're going to do iSlice. That's a pretty cool one. So oops, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, the notification bell. And my absolute favorite, any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I will get right to them, because like I've been saying, this is your channel. This is to help you learn Python. This is to answer your questions, your curiosities, your challenges, your problems, because I want there to be one place for you to come and learn Python. So I can't tell you thanks enough for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.